Hi, I'm Kirby Allison, and we love to help the well-dressed take care of their wardrobes. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about the importance of leather dress shoe heels. Often overlooked, the heel represents the backbone of a shoe and makes an incredible difference in how long a shoe wears and how comfortable it is. Now, most programs, whenever you send in a pair of shoes to be resoled, simply takes the top lift off, which is like the top two layers of the heel, and then pulls the heel base off of the shoe. They'll replace the full leather outsole. They reuse the original heel base and then put a new top lift on. Now, the problem with that is that most shoe companies these days, in an effort to produce cheaper shoes or make more money, use incredibly cheap heel bases that oftentimes aren't even real leather. So the majority of shoes out there that are in the sub $500 range use what is essentially particle leather. It's basically blended leather that is then glued together to create basically fake leather heels that, although look like leather, aren't leather at all. You know, this is exactly similar to particle board. Now, here is another heel that we pulled off on one of the shoes sent in for our Kirby Allison shoe restoration program. And you can see not only how soft this is and how it would absorb water, but it's just not beautiful at all. This heel base right here is hollow. So it's not even leather for one, it's made to look like leather, but you pull it off of the shoe and you see that it is simply a rubber heel. This one right here, which I don't even know what this is, actually is two different pieces where this is a soft rubber insert. But again, there's no integrity to this heel. It's not made with beautiful materials at all. Now, in our Kirby Allison shoe restoration program, we exclusively use J.R. Rendenbach's full leather heel blocks. So if we receive a pair of shoes where we pull off the heel block and it's particle leather, we're going to replace that with a full leather heel block that is made out of solid pieces of leather that are the same quality as our JR leather outsoles. The reason this is important is because it represents the integrity behind our certified shoe restoration program. We don't simply take, a piece of particle leather and wedge it between a beautiful JR full leather outsole and a beautiful JR leather top lift. Instead, we're going to throw that away and replace it with, again, a leather heel base made of the same quality oak bark tanned leather and our JR leather heel base. And that produces a bottom to the shoe that is made of the same quality of $1,000 plus shoes. If you have any questions about our certified shoe restoration program, please ask them in the comments section below or feel free to email customer service. I'm Kirby Allison, and we love to help the well-dressed take care of their wardrobes. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications by clicking the bell to the right of the subscribe button so that you can learn whenever we release new videos. If you have any questions or comments about anything we discussed on this video, please ask them in the comments section below. And of course, please visit hangerproject.com, where we have the largest, most comprehensive collection of luxury garment care and shoe care accessories in the world, as well as many other incredible products for the well-dressed. And while you are there, subscribe to our newsletter to receive notifications of new product launches, promotions, as well as a weekly digest of all the videos we publish here on our YouTube channel.